will help you opening commonly with files like Word files, PowerPoint files, Excel files, PDF files, notes, media, etc. just in one app. So first you need to open Google Play Store. Then you need to click on the search bar. There you need to type the Office. And searching will give a list of the apps, but you need to install the one I am showing you, which is from Microsoft Corporation. Here in my case I have already installed, so no install option is here. In your case there will be install option. After installing you need to open the app or can directly go to the file manager of your phone and click the file you want to open. You will see the option to open with Office app as you have already installed right now. Using this app you can edit and create to some extent too, but not as you do in PC. Notes, links, documents. From home you can Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, media, notes, etc. Here I am using pen for drawing and eraser for erasing purpose. You can also find some more useful functions inbuilt in this app while you keep using it on a regular basis. Hope this video will provide you some basic knowledge of opening and creating different formats of the files in one app. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe.